Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. My name is Kathy Jarvis and we're inside again today because the cicadas are really noisy. They're starting to calm down somewhat, but still so noisy that I can't concentrate to actually film. So what we want to talk about today is what we can plant now. It's in the middle of June, June 16th or so, and a lot of people wanted to put in a garden, but with the wet spring that we had, they didn't get it done yet. Or the ones that got the garden in are now finding that some of the things are being ready to be harvested and taken out, and they've got bare spots in the garden. So they're wondering, what in the world can we plant at this time of year? And then actually there's quite a few things. You can transplant any broccoli seedlings, celery seedlings. You can also transplant cantaloupes, and you can transplant strawberry plants. And as far as what you can actually plant from seed, you can do all your green beans and lima beans, any po bean, scarlet bean, runner beans, your bush beans, your French beans. All those can be planted now. Also, Brussels sprouts can be planted. Carrots, you can get a lot of carrots in. And if you do the beans, they'll be ready about in September. If you put broccoli transplants in, you're going to get them around August. Brussels sprouts seeds will take October to be harvested. Your carrots will be harvested in October also. Celery transplants will be October. You can also do Chinese cabbages from seed, and they'll be ready in September. Lettuce, you can plant lettuce in seeds, and if you live in a really hot area, you can go with the heat tolerant type, and those will be ready by September. You can also do parsnips. They'll be ready in November if you plant seeds. Rocket will be ready in August. Your cantaloupe, if you put them in by transplants or seeds, they should be ready by late October, early September, late October, or early October. Swiss chard can go in now, and you can harvest that in August. Your spring onions can still be planted. Bunching onions, they'll be ready to harvest in September. Strawberry plants from seeds will take a whole 12 months. Strawberry plants from seedlings that you transplant, you might be able to harvest some in October if you're lucky. Sweet corn can still be planted, and you can harvest that in October. And your tomatoes, you can seed them, and they may be ready by September if you're lucky. And you can put in squash and yellow zucchinis. Yellow squash and zucchinis you can also plant now, and you'll have those ready by August. So there's quite a few things that you can plant right now, and later in July, you can plant your beets, and you can still plant cabbages. You can still plant carrots and cabbage, Chinese cabbages, your chives, your kale, and more lettuce, mustard greens, radishes can start being planted then, rocket, and turnips, and Swiss chard, and your spring onions can still be planted then also. So you can still plant in June and July. So I recommend that if you want to start a garden, go ahead and start it. If it's your first year, start small, and just kind of follow along what we're doing and what other people that you neighbors are doing and stuff, and you should get some harvest. So I hope you've learned something. I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to dream big and follow that dream. Subscribe to the channel if you would. Share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up if you liked it. And see you later. Bye.